How to fix Windows screensaver not working. If that didn't work, Windows updates can include fixes for common system issues, including screensaver problems. Keeping your system up to date can resolve these issues. If that didn't work, proper power management settings are essential for the screensaver to function correctly. Updating your display drivers can solve screensaver problems caused by driver issues. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.